Welcome to the Passionate Roaditor, TPR, where we stay on the road to keep you safe on the road. For decades, the main route to get to Narok, Bomet, and Kisii counties from Nairobi has been through the scenic Limuru-Maai Mahiu Highway. The road is, however, prone to gridlocks. An alternative route, the Ngong-Suswa Highway, has now come into the picture. In April this year, the Principal Secretary for the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, Dr. Raymond Omolo, said, and I quote, "The completion of the Ngong-Suswa Highway is a major milestone and a true game changer for regional connectivity." It was not the first time that the government had come out to say that the road is complete. In December last year, the State Department of Roads, in a statement, said, and I quote, "This road is now complete and open. Motorists can expect a smoother, safer, and more direct connection between Ngong and Suswa." Ever keen to ensure your safety on the road, the Passionate Roaditor, TPR, over the weekend went to audit a section of the highway. The 70-kilometer stretch was built at a cost of almost 4 billion shillings by the Kenya Rural Roads Authority, KERA. At Kibiko area, you encounter this sign of a bump. With the bump well marked. The first thing to note is that there are no road markings on either side of the highway. Further on is this sign indicating sharp bends ahead. As the road sharply bends towards the right, there is a guardrail. There's a left bend, and then another one to the right. This sign indicating a sharp bend, in addition to the guardrail, is what motorists need for safety purposes. But as you travel further on, you begin to see signs of poor workmanship. Bear in mind that this is a road whose completion was delayed. Here, while approaching Kimuka, there's a sharp bend to the right with no signage or guardrail. After the right turn at Kimuka, the magnitude of repairs on the road becomes apparent. There is no signage warning motorists that you are approaching a road under massive repairs. If you hit this kind of pothole at speed, you risk a ripped tyre. Motorists weaving to avoid the uneven section of the road are also a hazard. Imagine navigating this section at night. There's a sign indicating a steep incline. None indicating the sharp left bend ahead. So far, TPR hasn't encountered any sign to caution motorists that the road is under active repairs. Here, we encounter the machinery for roadworks on the side of the road. According to the government, this road is complete. Note how this lorry driver aims for the middle lane in order to avoid the potholes. While a reasonable thing to do, it endangers other road users. At night, such can easily cause a head-on collision. Further ahead, we find men at work on the road. There is no road sign warning you of their presence. A few meters from them is this sign: "Slow down, men at work, 30 kilometers per hour." TPR believes Kera can have a better sign than this. TPR also hopes better safety procedures will be put in place to enhance the safety of these contracted workers. There is a completely unmarked bump further ahead. And then, more signs that the quality of the highway is wanting. Some parts of the road have a fresh coat of tarmac on the resurfaced areas. Problem is, some of those patches have affected the road markings on the center, eliminating them. TPR then came across this other section. Again, no warning sign that you are approaching a section of the road that is under construction. The experience that TPR had on this new highway was highly unpleasant from a safety perspective. If it's dangerous to drive on during the day due to the multiple sections under construction without proper road signage, coupled with the sharp bends without warning, imagine the experience one would have driving along this highway at night. For these reasons, TPR only recommends the use of this road as a last resort, since in its current state, one will be better off enduring the traffic along the Limuru-Maai Mahiu Highway than risking it here where your tires can get a nasty experience. Consider this headline on the Star on the 21st of April this year. Lady recounts chilling Ngong-Suswa road ordeal, warns motorists of a suspected highway trap. Motorists' early morning tire burst sparks fears of organized highway ambush along isolated Suswa stretch. Do like, share and subscribe to TPR and keep it TPR for more in-depth analysis of road matters, all geared towards ensuring your safe travel.